Hi friends, welcome. In this video, I will show you how we can fix the issue. Every month, some amount getting deducted from Google Pay app. Let me open this Google Pay app, tap on this icon. Then tap on this U icon over here, tap here. Then go down, tap on AutoPay, tap here. And here you can see list of automatic payments. Tap on this live tab. Under that you can see live automatic payments. So right now here you are seeing C5 subscription, then LinkedIn subscription, then the Netflix. So every month Netflix will deduct $199 from my Google Pay. And here you can see every month LinkedIn will deduct around 1K. Then every month C5 will deduct $399 from my Google Pay account. So in your case, you can go to this automatic payments, then check for these subscriptions. If there is subscriptions that you are not noticed or subscriptions that you are not aware, then you can just select that particular subscription, then you can cancel it. So we have two options. We can cancel or temporarily stop. So let me select one subscription. Let me select this C5. Tap on that. See the option pause autopay. So we can use this option to temporarily stop automatic payment. We can tap on pause autopay. Then we can select current date and end date up to what date you need to pause or temporarily stop automatic payment. That you can select, then you can pause. The second option is cancel autopay. So if you want to permanently cancel or delete this automatic payment, then you can use this cancel autopay option. Let me tap on this cancel autopay. Then again tap on yes, cancel autopay. That way we can cancel and delete this automatic payment. So that way we can fix the issue. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.